What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. You guys, I finally found them. This is the first Dollar Tree that I've actually found them. What am I excited about? I am excited about these super cute cups because they're light up cups. They are light up cups. Okay, this one isn't turning on for some reason, so definitely test them. But these are super cute light up cups. Look at this, you guys. That would be so cute at night, wouldn't it? These are so adorable. We have the short ones. We have the tall ones. I just love how fun they are. Look at that, you guys. Aren't they cute? That's the lid. Oh my gosh. These are so cute. You just have the two colors. I really love the pink. You guys know those are my two favorite colors, pink and blue. And then right away, you guys look at this. Over here, we have brand new peach lip glosses. And I just love the color of the flamingo. Okay, I am super excited about everything now. We have all the little baskets, the little shopper baskets.
Down here.
These are nice. I love these squishy ones. They're so cute. We have all of these. We have these. Look at these with the little luau flowers.
We have some there.
So cute.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, let's go over here and see if we have any new hair items this week. It's been a minute since I've been to this location. I really like this location. They're really nice here as well. The 3-piece set face shields. These little teaser brushes might be new this week. And we have the speed stick, lady speed stick, the sandalwood smash in speed stick, and the surfside rush. And then we have the rose delight and the exotic blooms. Those are definitely brand new. Hi, how are you? Good. These are back, you guys. These are also available at Walmart for 97 cents. I really like those. Okay, let's see if we have anything else new. One of my other locations had a bunch of these sorts of creams. They had Dove. They had a few other brands. Today's one of those days, you guys, where I'm wearing like a t-shirt and a very light sweatshirt and I'm kind of hot, but it's not like really hot outside yet. So I'm kind of hot right now. But I know if I didn't bring a sweatshirt, then I might be a little bit cold later. But it's supposed to warm up here like really soon. Okay, let's head over to makeup. I'm hoping to find some more hard candy makeup options here in this location. I did see some in my other store, so we'll see. Excuse me. Okay, you guys, let's see what we're gonna have. Oh, wait a minute, these are new, the sensitive skin towelettes. In my other location, they had a 3-pack. It was like a 3-pack of these. Okay, so this is brand new. This is my first time seeing this. This is the highlight palette by Hard Candy. Yes, I will be getting a couple of these. So pretty. Highlight for $1. The highlight collection is growing, but I feel like it's hard to find a highlight that you really like. By the way, you guys, remember the Fox in the Box highlights from last week? Birdie and I, actually Birdie tried hers. I haven't tried mine yet. but Birdy tried hers and we were really, really impressed. Like, I watched her put it on for the first time and she loved it. Like, she put it on her nose, she put it on her cheeks, she put it in, you know, all the places like the Cupid's bow and everything, and she was like super impressed with every place she put it. This is a liquid eye color. This is brand new. This is my first time seeing it in the Prism Flip color. My other location had a purple. Okay, I'm happy. Even if this is the only one my store has, I am super happy because I really love these lighter shades of highlight. Like, those are my favorite. And some of these almost look like they might be liquidy. I'm not really sure. Like almost like a lip gloss texture. I don't know if I'm right. I mean, I'm probably totally wrong, but it kind of looks like that. More of the liquid eye colors. The 2-pack of eyeliners in sort of a gold and a blue by Wet n Wild. My other location had the micellar water in the orange and the green, but this location just has the one. And then let's look over here. I don't need any more toothbrushes. You guys, I've been buying toothbrushes for the last 3 weeks in a row because there's just been so many good varieties, and my location still has the Firefly Lion King ones. I got some of those, and I also got some of the Treasure X toothbrushes. Butter dishes, I think those are new, sort of in a melamine. The little bottles are back, but they're plastic. What is this? It's a tong turner, spatula on one side, grabber on the other. That's my first time seeing that. And of course, we have to come down the candy aisle. If you guys aren't following me yet over on TikTok, please follow me at Birdy Gator. You guys know I've been doing a lot of melting and cooking on my Dollar Tree wax melt burner. It's my new series. And here really soon, I want to start back with making cotton candy as well for summer. I have a couple other series I want to launch. And hopefully, as soon as my kids are done with school and I'm done proctoring their tests, hopefully I'll have a little more time to maybe do an additional TikTok every day besides the one that I'm doing. Sour Patch Kid heads. Is it just the heads? Gumballs. Anything new? Carnival Pops. These are really good. The Sour Patch Kid blue raspberries. I feel like someone asked for either the Passport mix or the Funtastic mix. I can't remember which one. I got some of these, but I haven't melted them yet. The Gold Bear Sours. I'm gonna start a whole other video. These are back from Christmas peppermint bark. If you love those, they're here. I'm gonna start a whole nother video, you guys, on a whole another aisle, so definitely join me in my very next video. We're gonna look at whatever else is new for the week. I'm super excited to be at this location. I really like filming here. So yeah, you guys join me in my very next Dollar Tree video. Hopefully we'll find lots of new finds, lots of name brand items, and other fun new stuff for summer. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.